Hi everybody, it's Debbie Barrett, the one who started this particular group, and I'm really excited that you're here. If you need some help in how to do your first Facebook Live, I'm making this little tutorial for you. I apologize for the camera moving. I have to use my phone to make a copy of the web page, so it's kind of complicated, but it works. So when you go to make your first live video, you want to go into our 3-week Facebook Live challenge. You just type that in up there in that white box, and it will take you to this page. This is our secret page for doing our Facebook Lives, and you're welcome to, check this place out. There's all sorts of information in here. But when we do the live, we come over here and we click on live video, which will, now this is, once again, this is doing this from a computer, not from, I'm taping from the phone, but I'm showing you how to go live on the computer. So anyway, hello, I see you. We have the information about the camera and all that good stuff right there. Over here, live video settings, you'll see share in a group, and let me show you that especially if you have your own groups or you want to share this on your timeline so other people can see it, this is where you do that. You can do it now or you can do it after the video too. But we have share on your timeline, share in a group, share in an event, or share on a page you manage. And you click one of those and it takes you wherever you need to go. So you'll see the group though right here, the 3-week Facebook Live Challenge. This is the main one that you are live streaming in right now. And then underneath that, this is where you put your heading. It says, say something about this live video. Once again, this is not in stone. You can change all of this information after you've done your video. Actually, after you've done the video and it's rendered on the site and it's all done, you can go in here and change all this information. But think of a compelling title, and I've heard a lot of people are saying that they recommend that you put emojis. Once you've got your title up there, add a few emojis, which makes it more colorful and it stands out. So when people are going through their live feed, they will see your video standing out with a lot of color, and that's a good thing. Then after that, we have just information about the 3-week Facebook Live Challenge and what camera I'm using. But we're not live yet. This is all set up, and it's very comfortable, and you don't need to be nervous at this point. But when you hit the Go Live button, 3, 2, 1, now it's time to talk. And so you see in the corner there's live. It starts doing a countdown. It shows what's happening, and remember to talk into the camera itself, so you're not just staring at the phone if you're doing the phone video, or you're not staring at the screen there, because you want to look these people in the eye. So once you have your story ready, you can either write notes or just wing it however you want to do it. We suggest that you talk between, 2 to 5 minutes. Not much more than 5 minutes, because people are busy and so they really don't have a lot of time to be watching videos, but the people in the group will get very interested in what you have to say. So try to keep it short but very sweet and succinct. Now over here in this white box, it's not happening right now because there's nobody watching me. And that's another thing. If you do a live video and nobody watches you, that's okay. Remember that this is all about recording, and people will eventually see you and comment on your videos. So hang in there. Just because nobody's talking to you right now doesn't mean that it's not going to happen. But anyway, if somebody did show up, this is where you'd see their name and they would talk to you. So welcome them. Greet them and say thank you for watching me, or thank you for joining me today, and ask them questions. You know, put a 1 in the box if you agree with me, or if you have any questions, please write them in the chat box. And so that way you have a lot of interaction with your the people that are watching your video. So you go ahead and say what you have to say, and when you're done, you click the finish button right there. And this starts happening. Your live video has ended. The replay of your live video will be available soon in this group. And then there's a button that says done. And I know it's kind of, well, anyway, that shiny button says done. Or you can delete the video. You know, if you're not happy with it, you just go ahead and click delete video and start all over again. No big deal. So this isn't carved in stone. It isn't going to, you know, be put up unless you choose for it to be put up. But I'm going to hit done. And now it's going to take a while for it to render. And it does take a while. So while we're rendering, I want to show you something else in here that, you know, 21 days of doing videos is quite a few. And so they're going to start adding up, and you're going to want to keep track of them. So the way that you do that in this group is you come over here and you hit Files. And I want you to create a document. This is where you're going to keep your particular files. Now you can upload a picture right here. But title, I type in your name, put Jan Smith. Facebook Live videos. And I'm not sure why that went all the way down there. Let's see. There we go. Really want that to be all in one line. Okay. And then you can write something if you want to. But the first day would be day 1. Oops. And then I'll show you what you do to go ahead and find out what the URL is right up here that you'll want to copy and paste and put in here, so you'll always have the recording of your first day. And then I also type in the topic of whatever that day was. So when I go through them later, or anybody else goes through them, they'll be able to see what your topic was. So then when you get done with that, you come over here and you hit publish. So now you've got your files ready to go, and when the time comes, you just come here, you find your name, you click on it, and there you go. So that's how we're going to do that. And then when you go in the next time, you hit up here, it says edit document or edit doc. Click on that and you can start editing. Type in what you need to do and then make sure that you hit publish update so it takes. So there you go. All right, let's see if our video's here yet. There she is. Doggone. Okay. So let me show you how you first of all, you can change this. Like I said, you can change, I didn't type anything in here as far as the name goes. So what you do to change it is you come over here to this little chevron, you click on that, and you edit post. So then what, here's where you can go ahead and type your heading. You can change anything that you want about this. Very easy to do. And you click Done Editing when you're done. Now, I told you about the documents where you're keeping your particular documents. And the way that we find that is you go right here to this. It tells you how many minutes ago you were live. So you click on that. And right up here is your URL for this particular document. So you copy that. You go into Files. You find your file. Day 1. Oops, I have to hit Edit Doc. Day 1. I paste. And there's the permalink for where that video is. So all you have to do anytime is click on it and we'll take you right there. So, how's that? So, hit publish update. So I hope that you find this helpful, and that I just can't wait to see your videos. This is going to be so much fun. So I will talk to you later. Bye.